Hi, welcome to DeepFix. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to increase your iPhone 6 storage by replacing HDDIC. As you can see, it's 16 GB. So remove the PCB from housing. Here it's HDDIC. Okay, now I'm gonna place the PCB on a circuit stand here. Here I'm gonna remove all 16 GB. For this I'm using a hot air gun with around 380 degrees centigrade. I'm using a sharp tool to remove the HDD. As you can see in the video, this video has been speed up for your convenience to not to get bored of it. Here is all 16 GB HDD. Now I'm gonna replace this with 128 GB HDD and I need to reprogram the serial number. For reprogramming the old serial number, I'm using this tool. It's 128 GB HDD which I need to write old serial number. Refresh port, just open the port here. It's loading. Okay, it's loaded here. Now I'm gonna place 128 GB HDD on the tool. Okay, now click load highest authority for detecting 128 GB HDD. Okay, now our new HDD has been detected. Just reprogram the old serial number here. Copy the serial number from the text and just type paste here in the right box. Okay, it's done now. Just write the color of the phone. Okay, it's done. Now our 128 HDD is ready to place on the PCB. Here we go, this is the new one. Let's place the new HDD. So apply some flex. Make sure that the IC is in a proper direction. I am using 380 degrees centigrade with my setup. As I told you before, the video has been speed up, so heat the IC enough while you were replacing it. I hope it has been placed. It's too hot, so let it cool. So I'm gonna blow some cool air. Okay, now I'm gonna place the PCB in the housing for restoring the iPhone because the new HDD is empty. It needs to be restored. So carefully place the flex cables here. Now I need to connect to iTunes. Okay, it's now detected in DFU mode. It's connected here, waiting for iPhone. It's restoring. As you know, the video has been speed up. The process is very long and it's very boring. Okay, it's restoring the firmware here. Okay, it had done now. It detected 128 GB, as you can see. There is no SIM card, so I need to install a SIM card to complete the process. So we need to complete the activation process here. Install a SIM card, just remove the cable once, that's it. Congratulations, your phone has been unlocked. Continue. Set as new phone. Just continue here. As you can see, it's 128 GB. Okay, let me show you in the phone. So I need to complete the setup. Here is the activation process. Just continue. The fingerprint is working very well. We don't need any password, so just skip this. Continue. Agree. Don't send. Zoom it. Get start. I want to show you, this is the same phone which is 16 GB. Now it's 128 GB. Settings, general, about, and here it's 114 GB. It's the same 16 GB phone and it's turned into 128 GB by changing STD. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe our channel, Fix.